Hello YouTube, this is a quick video on logs. It's from the edexcel C2 January 2008 maths paper, and it's involving simultaneous equations, and this is one of the harder log questions. Okay, so it's a simultaneous equation, so the important thing here is we want to get this log statement into a more manageable form. Now, one of the important things about logs is that if we've got two logs with the same base added together, we can times them. We can times the this bit here. So if we have log x base 4 and we have it adding to log base 4 y, it's the same as writing log 4 x y. So we can write that. So what we're going to do for this this question is we are going to turn this into a more manageable form, and we do that by keeping the base the same, but we're going to have a b, because we can say that that is the same as those two times together, and that equals 2 still. So now what we want to do is convert this back into the form where it is a power. So we know that 3 squared, because logs, that's what logs are, a to the power of x equals n, is the same as writing log base a to n is equal to x. So that's the rule, that's how logs work. So we can write this here as 3 squared is equal to a b. Then what we can do is square 3. So when we square 3 we get 9. So 9 is now equal to a b, and if we write this one in here, a is equal to 3b. So now what we want to do is create a common thing so we can equate them. So the easiest is to get a on the same side. So what we do to do that is we divide this one up the top here by b to get a on its own. So we get 9 over b is equal to a, which is the same as writing 9 over b is equal to 3b. So now what we're going to do is we're going to times by b to get rid of this b on the denominator. So we get 9 equals 3b squared. Now what we do is divide through by 3 to get 3 equals b squared, and then we square root both sides, so we know that b is equal to root 3. So that's what we do to find b. Now I'll just resize this and move it away. So we have b now. Now what we need to do is find a, and finding a is relatively simple, because as you can see here we've got it all set up for us. So we know now that b is equal to root 3, as said there. So what we're going to do is we're going to sub that in here. So a is equal to 3 times root 3, or we can write that as 3 root 3. So that's the answer. A equals 3 root 3, b equals root 3, and that's all the marks for that paper. Thanks for watching.